Welcome to Hiraman classes. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the ninth class English coursebook, and in the ninth class English coursebook we will discuss about the 3.5 great scientists, and we have already done two videos, and one is about chit chat and warming up, and second one is reading and explanation, and this is the third one. This is the English workshop, and I will show you so many activities are there here. Four activities are there and language study will be there, and we will see only four activities in the video, and I will show you, and in front of you I will already solved in my notebook, and I will show you the activities and the answers. Okay, I will show you. 3.5 Great Scientists English Workshop. Activity 1. Write what is implied in the following sentences. A. But few known his inspirational life story, which is all about courage and fighting against the odds. And the possible answer and possible implied meaning of this sentence. Okay. Answer. The lines imply that Faraday was courageous and faced many difficulties in his life. Those difficulties did not stop him from achieving his goals. His life will inspire many people to not give up on their dreams. Next, B. Even then, Davy did not have much hope for Faraday. Answer. Faraday had become indispensable to Davy, but he still did not believe in his potential of Faraday. Faraday showed tremendous dedication. Davy thought that Faraday would be unable to do anything remarkable in the field of science because of his lack of education and social status. And then C. People started telling Davy that of all his discoveries, the best was Faraday himself. Answer. This line implies that people praised Faraday's invention more than Davy's. It also suggests that Davy had made many good discoveries in the past. And activity 2. Break the passage into convenient smaller sections. Give subheading titles to each. Okay. To read the passages and give the suitable titling. Okay. And then activity 3. List the different gadgets and instruments mentioned in the passage. Find more information about at least 3 of them using the internet. So I have written the gadgets are the instruments. Answer. Gadgets and instruments: fans, sewing machines, power tools, cars, motors, trains, aeroplanes, engines, Bavarian glass, lenses, telescopes, microscopes, electrical generator, dynamos. And these are the gadgets. And find more about the following scientists. Scientists with the help of the internet. And here also at least 3 of them using the internet means you should use the internet and find more information about at least 3. Suppose fans, sewing machine, power tools. So you should find out the more information about the any 3 gadgets. Okay, you see in the internet. And also this is also find more about the following scientists with the help of the internet. If you entered in the internet, you should see Michael Faraday, Humphrey Davy, Thomas Edison, James Maxwell, and you will find more information in the net. Okay. Dear students, I hope you understood. So you write down at your notebooks, and you see all the activities and thoroughly, and you will understand what I have written the answer, and these are the possible answers I have written, and some activities are there to find the answer in the net, and you should use your net means mobile, and you will find more information. And if you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. It will help us to upload our future videos. Thank you very much.